pangunguna ng Department of Tourism Cordillera, ginanap ang unang araw ng Tourism Investment Forum 2024 dito sa Cordillera Convention Hall, Baguio Country Club ng Baguio City.
This forum serves as a vital platform for stakeholders to converge, discuss, and partake on thriving investment opportunities in tourism.
Sa kanilang tema na Elevating Opportunities, Sustainable Investments in Mountain Tourism, layunin nitong palakasin ang industriya at turismo ng rehiyon.
This forum will not only dig deep into the current national agenda and strategies aimed at fostering tourism-driven economic growth, but will also zoom in on the dynamic economy of the Cordilleras.
Ito ay dinaluhan ng mga opisyal ng gobyerno at maging ng mga tourism stakeholders galing sa iba't ibang lugar. Katulad na lamang ng NEDA, Department of Transportation, Philippine Airlines at marami pang iba.
Let us embrace the spirit of collaboration and innovation as we embark on this journey towards sustainable tourism development in the Cordilleras and across the new Philippines, Bagong Pilipinas, where nobody and no destination will be left behind.
Sa ikalimang araw naman ng forum, pinag-usapan ang tourism investment, mga estratehiya, pagpapalawak, oportunidad at konsepto ng tourism market sa siyudad ng Baguio.
That in 20 years' time, we get to see a transformed city where you can visit and breathe in the offerings that's present here.
BCC continues to set the benchmark for hospitality excellence in the Cordillera region and beyond. I guess what we have challenged ourselves in our organization is we always want to be a pioneer in terms of providing the services and facilities.
Naging makabuluhan ang 2 araw na forum sa mga residente at sa mga turistang balak bumisita sa Cordillera Region, lalo na sa siyudad ng Baguio. Dahil sa mga plano at inobasyon na inihanda ng gobyerno, investors at stakeholders, makikita ang progresibong kinabukasan ng rehiyon. Ito si Jacqueline Reyes para sa Herald Balita.